Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome to part four of my introduction of my book. It's a long introduction, guys, you know, but it's very informative introduction. It's things that I went through to get out of debt and to fix my credit. Okay, guys. So let me continue where I left off. The book taught me an accidental credit and debt elimination course that I purchased online called TDWS. The Credit Secret Bible book, it taught me how to, you know, get into a course called TDWS, which stands for Transforming Debt into Wealth, which I still have that course. It's very informative. So anybody that wants to know more about that course, you know, text the number 7 to the number that you see on the screen. All right? Text the number 7 to the number that you see on the screen, which is 1-855-964-4133. Text the number 7 only to 1-855-964-4133. When you join my group, you're going to get the information, you know, of the book, how I fix my credit, and how I got out of debt. And also the TDWS course that I took. All right. See, this course helped me in so many ways. This course helped me be more disciplined in organizing my debts expenses. It also helped me on how to repair my credit status, show me ways on how to invest $100 a month on a simple method called Boy, Bank on Yourself. And it also helped me establish my own personal financial education credit builder business too. Again, I began establishing my business just by sharing everything that I learned in the Credit Secret Bible book. And on the TWS Debt Freedom course, I invested for $300. That was the best investment that I have done because it has helped me establish my own business, financial literacy business, and also credit repair business all combined into one. I began to teach and help some of my close friends, family members, and coach others people that were in financial distress too. You know, in 2008, I was not debt free, but I had a mind econ cash flow manager, personal financial, and MWR financial success debt elimination income shifting plan that I still continue to use to reach my debt freedom dollar number plan and retire dollar number plan to pursue debt freedom happiness and change my entire lifestyle. I did not stop there. I continued to search the web to see if there were other financial literacy businesses that would like to help me fund my business and expose and expand my business products and services to mainstream public level. Besides the internet, click the full story continues here, you know, with another great book that everyone needs to read and they don't want you to know, called A Guide to a United Personal Financial Success Educated Nation for a Better Purpose uh, in this world, for a better prosperous world. My bad. That's the first of many financial education books I wrote myself. Now I am going to tell you a little bit about my business. So, guys, that was the introduction of how, you know, different ways how I got a debt and how I fixed my credit. Now I'm going to tell you more about my business, what my business is all about, you know, about my organization. Welcome to Get Out of Debt Academy, EDU. It's my educational financial literacy classes and courses I offer to my clients and students. I do charge for the full financial literacy courses and the simple credit repair builder AI software and financial services that I have created with the help of other financial education organizations that help me on the journey to establish my personal interactive credit repair financial fitness education business. I know from experience that debt problems can be overwhelming. Over 1 million people and counting need personal financial literacy, debt help, and assistance in the USA. And I offer, and I can't do it alone, you know, so I am recruiting people, at least 10 people to help me to learn what I'm doing, and get paid also. But, you know, and I offer personal financial literacy, debt help, and advice to thousands of people every day. By working closely with the top debt solution companies, I offer my clients free impartial personal financial literacy, debt, and credit repair advice, and free paid personal financial money ed one-on-one courses to give you a new start and a new financial attitude on a proven strategies on how to control your credit, your debts, your investments, and your household and your overall health too. You know, there's a little bit, free courses that I offer, mini courses that I offer. Advanced courses I do charge, okay, to make, you know, to let you know, guys know. If you want to get out of that, but don't know which way to turn, I will find you the cheapest, easiest debt solution. Because if you're in debt, you don't want to pay a lot of money to get out of debt. You can't afford it. So, what I did for my financial situation, I found a way how you can pay for somebody to help you get out of debt, but not as much money as a financial advisor is going to charge you. Okay, because every case is different. I compare debt help solutions to find the right one for you. Unlike other debt management companies, I work with regulated consumer credit license, credit repair, and debt management organization. By contacting us today, you will be taking the first step to debt-free future for you and your family. Now, let me give you some simple debt advice. If you have a problem with your debts, get a debt academy, which that's not my organization. That's a group that I have, you know, an academy that I have that has a lot of financial literacy courses from all different companies that I've learned, you know, different ways and strategies how to get out of debt. And what happens is they put out a lot of free financial literacy courses for people that are not financially IQ to get a financial literacy IQ education, the beginning of it, you know. But ICR Financial Fitness, which is my organization, will help you find the best affordable solution that is right for you. So basically, my organization, ICR Financial Fitness, it stands for Interactive Credit Repair Financial Fitness, which is an interactive credit repair company that's going to teach you about financing, financial literacy, and also it's going to teach you how to get fit too. All those three things in one company, you know. So ICR Financial Fitness will help you find the best affordable solution that's right for you. Our aim is to help you not bury you in more debt or mess up your credit more than what it is. You know, this is what we do. This is how I help my clients reduce your monthly payments Stop creditors taking enforcement action against you. Regain control of your finances. Teach you about personal financial literacy. The 10-step financial IQ courses are the following. You're going to learn how to create credit and debt elimination, money hedging new habits. You're going to learn the ins and outs of credit and debt restoration strategies and much more. You're going to learn how to build endurance, confidence, good health, love, wealth, happiness, and spirituality, and a future legacy for your kids. You're going to learn how to invest in two investment strategies that are going to be tax free for a real good life retirement that has nothing to do with investing in stock market, 401k, real estate, and so on. You're going to learn how to be more effective listener and communicator with yourself and others. You're going to learn how to overcome life challenges and resolve conflicts to a better good life. You're going to learn the real new rules of money that we're never taught in school. Never taught in school. You're going to learn how to save money on your taxes by a three-step strategy that most of us ignore. You're going to learn how to establish your own home based business and also market the home based business that can eventually in the future help you reach your financial definite purpose in your life. You're going to learn how to focus and accomplish your goals in 67 steps with us, not alone. I advise you on the full range of personal financial debt solutions, including debt relief orders, debt management, credit repair, bankruptcy, trust deeds, administration orders, and debt consolidation. If you require advice on that or need to talk to someone confidentially about your option, there's no need to wait. Just book a confidential appointment with me. I'm available Mondays through Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., guys. I'm the only organization that's open up to 10 p.m., guys, Mondays through Saturdays. Okay? Uh, I will provide you with the same simple debt education that I was taught and much more, as well as providing free debt advice to those that need help today. I also aim to prevent future debt problems through my research and financial education initiatives that I was taught. And I created a financial smart money program called Interactive Credit Repair Financial Fitness Smart Money Ed 101 Mayfield for Life Personal Financial Success Program and mini course that I provide for free for my clients and future students. My mission is to teach everyone personal financial literacy strategies to everyone. They are going to show you how to spend less, make extra income, and create money working from your future assets that can outlast your future retirement. Therefore, keeping and investing more of your money now to accelerate your retirement goals and expectations. Discover the rewards of a university for your very own customized personal financial success, good life empowerment certificate. I can show you how to advance your financial IQ and kickstart your credit and much more. That's only if you are ready to listen and learn by doing the same things that I learned to get out of debt and rebuild my credit status from 550 score to 720 plus score. I am willing to teach and I help those folks who have time are ready to change their mindset and be disciplined and take action to get out of debt, rebuild their credit, and start to establish a new time passive income wealth that can outlast your retirement and build a future legacy for your kids. You see, every holiday we have money to spend, but then he takes everything that we spend our money on, and then he takes from our birthdays. Don't forget holidays like Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. All he does is take, 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 take. From groceries to your home bills, your car note, your debts, then your credit cards. He continues to take and take and take. And even from your tax return, Uncle Sam takes and takes and takes and gives nothing to us in return. On tax time, he takes what we get at the end of the year, a third of our taxes, and then he takes again. Every day he takes because all we do is give and give instead of learning how to keep and keep. Then, when we get our tax return and we give it back to him every year, and Kusan gets 100% of global money back. It's time for us to think like they do because if we don't, we are going to continue to work and work, give and not invest in our financial structure to better our lives. We as consumers, that's what we are for them. We are just a number for them. When your social security to your bank account, to your car insurance policies, to your credit score, and so on and so on and so on. We are just fussy number game of puppets for them. We need to think out of the box because we are all living inside a box. We need to own what we purchase. It's not hard to figure it out. Where we live in a box, where we watch TV is in a box, when we surf the web is in a box, when we are on our cell phone is in a small box. This is just a philosophical sample of how we all live and how they see us. We as people need to learn how to leverage other people's money, keep more of our money, and make our money work for our money for later in the future. It can outlive and build wealth and a legacy for our families. We need to own it, not owe it. We as people need to learn how to own things, not owe things. When we start to own something, it's yours. You can control it and run it like you want to run it. You work on your time, not their time. Time is more valuable than money because when you work on your time, you can control it. When you work on their time, you cannot control it. We as people need to establish our own things and work on passive time to establish a new passive income. We need to bank on us, not them. All they do is take, take, take since 1920, 1933. Those were the bad years, which was the Great Depression, similar to what's going on right now. So, who's bailing us out? Uncle Sam? The answer is no one can bail us out. We have to find ways to protect our money, control our money, keep more of our money, invest our money the right way to outlive our retirement and leave a legacy to our family to protect them from future financial crisis or health crisis that we are going through right now. So, I have a question. The question is, anybody that's watching this video, do you have at least $2,000 to $5,000 in emergency money saved up just in case you run into a financial crisis or a health emergency crisis? Let me know. Leave me a comment below. You know, subscribe to my YouTube page. Click the logo that you see on the screen, the ICR logo, and subscribe to my YouTube page if you're interested in more content of what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's the question. Do you have do you have 2,000 to at least $5,000 in your bank account right now for emergency purposes only? Emergency purposes only. I'm not talking about money that you saved up just for whatever. I'm talking about emergency money. You know, let me know. Give me a comment. on my Facebook page, on my YouTube page, my Twitter page. Just leave me a comment there. You know, that was the question. So let's continue. I'm gonna wait for a little while until you answer the questions for me. Give you a timer here. Thank you for those who answer my questions. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Joe, Bill. You know, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Boy, that was a lot of answers there, but they were worth it. You know, a lot of people said no. A lot of people said no. No, 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 not enough, not enough, not enough, not enough. No, 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 not enough. All right, let's continue. Well, I do. I find a way. I found a way how to do it. You know, I found a way how to do it. You know, for a long time, I have saved that specific money for emergency purposes, especially with this COVID that's going on, still going on, and I still have money left over. Thanks God. You know, if you want to know how different ways on how to do that, just let me know. Again, join my Smart Money Credit Secret Hope group. You know, all you have to do is just text the number seven, text the number seven only, the number seven, to 1-855-964-4133. Now let's continue because it's gonna get more exciting for you guys. You see, I see it like this. There are too many of us, too many, and there will not be enough money to support every one of us. We need to help others that can help themselves. If we begin to do that, things will change. So, what about us? That's the question. What about us? You know, they don't care about us, guys. They don't. You know, we are just fuzzy numbers inside a box for them all. They do is take and take and take. What we do, we give and give. We as people need to learn how to keep more of our money. Keep more of our money. We continue to demand things and we rely on what we need instead of what we really want, then things will not change. When we learn the foundation on how money really works, then we will learn how to control more of our money and spend less money. Then we will start to win the money credit banking game. But if we continue to give and give, they will continue to take and take and win the game. Will you rather give, take, or keep? Another question. Will you rather give your money away or keep more of your money? Let's see. I give you a keep, keep, a lot of keeps. A lot of keeps, but I bet you you're not keeping it. I bet you you're not keeping more of your money. Putting your money in, saving your money in the bank is not keeping your money. You know, for me, my definition of keeping my money is putting my money in a safe place where I can't even use a dime with it, you know, and just continue to put in more money into that safe place, but I cannot use it as long as it's an emergency. That's keeping your money. All right. That's keeping more of your money. Another one is investing on an organization that's gonna give you more money in return. That you can keep more of that money that you're gonna get. Another one is if you have a job, one job, and then you got a side gig going. Instead of using your side gig money, you use the side gig money to keep more of that money instead of saving that money. So keep and save are two different things. Saving your money is saving your money in the bank. Keeping your money is keeping your money in a safe place where you can continue putting money in for it to accumulate during the weeks, the months, the years. Just to explain myself. All right, guys. Again, but if we continue to give and give and give, they will continue to take and take and take and win the game. Again, would you rather give, take, or keep your money? You know, I'd rather keep and take than give to those who can save or live the way you live. You know, God gave every single one of us a gift, which is life. We all have something special within us. We just have to find special thing that we have inside us. When we all learn to have faith in God and believe and donate more times to ourselves and less time to our job, that's when things will get better for all of us. I'm not saying to quit your job. Your job is essential to you. You need to work, to make ends meet. But try not to focus only on your job. You know, if you lose your job, then you lose everything. So you have to try to find a way to get a plan B or C just in case you lose your job. Something that can protect you for the next 6 to a year, before you get another job. Am I explaining myself right? Let me know. Leave me a comment below. All right? Leave me a comment below. That's when things will get better for all of us. You know, see, God tests us to see how faithful we are to Him. All He wants us to have true time and faith in Him and ourselves, because for them we are many, but to Him we are only one. Everyone that feels me, give me an amen. Give me amen. Let's see how many amens I'm gonna get in the comments section. Amen. Amen. Comment section. Amen. 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 Thank you. 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 Oof. So you feel me? It's true. What I'm saying, it's true. We all have a gift and a reason to be in this world, which is to pursue happiness. That's what we as people want in our lives. It's what we do good versus what we do bad. Life is one. And when you live your life and are treated as pursuit to fulfill your goals and dreams, then you will begin to have a purpose to live your life. Okay? Now, enough about me and my business. Here's the introduction of what the 101 Simple Facts Fixes to Repay Your Credit is going to be all about. Please read the entire book so you can learn all the credit repair secrets, steps, tricks, and strategies that I was taught and will not be taught in schools yet because they say it is too expensive for these smart money financial literacy classes and courses to be taught in school. Then that's BS. I took most of these courses for free. Some I paid $300, some I paid $100, but most of them were free. But now there are so many free financial literacy smart money games and courses for kids and teens and adults that most people don't know because they are so busy working and don't have time to find them and take them, you know. Well, I made it so easy for everyone that wants to take these financial smart money courses and classes in a USB flash drive. You know, the, I can't give you it for free. I sell to those folks that have the time to take these courses that are over $600 for much less than your cable bill. If you are interested in them, let me know. Most of these courses are learned by doing video digital courses. Now, let me know who's interested. Leave me a comment if you're interested. Jill interested, Mary interested, Joe interested, Bill interested, Lisa interested. Okay, Deanna interested. Okay, Mark is interested. Okay, all right. Now about me. Let's get into the introduction, which that will be in the next part of this video session.